Problem 59. Mr. Ogata drove 276 miles from his house to Los Angeles at an average speed of 62 miles per hour. His trip home took 6.5 hours. How did his speed on the way home compare to his speed on the way to Los Angeles? We have that his speed going to Los Angeles is 62 miles per hour. Now we need to figure out what his speed going back is going to be. The distance is 276, and going back he took 6.5 hours. So we're going to divide 276 divided by 6.5. So I'm going to get rid of this decimal point here. I'm going to add a 0 over here. 65 doesn't go into 27. It goes into 276. Let's see, 6 times 4. Let's say 4 times. Let's see. 65 times 4 is 260, so it's going to work. 4 times 260, remainder 16, bring down the 0. 65 into 162 times, that's 130, remainder 30. So we have 42 point something miles versus 62. So it was about 20 miles per hour slower. Problem 60. How many millimeters are in 20 centimeters? So we have that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. So 20 centimeters is going to be how many millimeters? So it's going to be 20 times 10 divided by 1. That's 200 millimeters. Problem 61. Mr. Craig made a scale drawing of his office. We have a scale of 1/2 inch is equivalent to 3 feet. The width of the scale drawing of the office is 2 inches. What is the actual width in feet of Mr. Craig's office? So if 1/2 inch is 3 feet, then 2 inches are going to be how many feet? So that would be 3 times 2, 3 times 2 divided by 0.5. This is the same as 6 divided by 0.5, which is 12. 6 divided by 1/2. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. This is 12. D. Problem 62. The chart below describes the speed of 4 desktop printers So we have 4 printers, 2 pages per second, 1 page every 2 seconds, 160 pages in 2 minutes, 100 pages per minute. So let's see what we can do. 2 pages per second, that's half second per page. 1 page every 2 seconds, that's slower. 160 pages in 2 minutes, that's 160 pages in 120 seconds. So that's a little bit more than 1 page per second. That's exactly 1.3 page per second. That's slower. And this one page prints 100 pages in 60 seconds. That is the same as 1.6 pages per second. So this is also slower than the first one. We can see that the fastest one is RoboPrint, half a second per page, or 2 pages per second. This one is 0.5 page per second. 63. The atmosphere normally exerts a pressure of about 15 pounds per square inch on surfaces at sea level. About how much pressure does the atmosphere exert on a surface 30 square inches in area? 15 pounds per square inch. We want to know how many in 30 square inches. So we have 15 pounds in 1 inch squared. How many pounds in 30 inches squared? So that's going to be 15 times 30 divided by 1. So the answer is D, 450 pounds. Problem 64. A utility company estimates that a power line repair job will take a total of 24 person-hours. If 3 workers are assigned to the job, how long will it take them to complete the job according to this estimate? So we have 3 workers here. Every 1 hour they do 3 person-hours. So in 2 hours they're gonna do 6, 3 is 9, 4 is 12, 6, 7, 8, 18, 21, 24. So So it's going to take them 8 hours. Problem 65. Citizens of Honduras use lempira for their money. In July 2002, the conversion rate for US money to Honduran money was about 6 cents to 1 lempira. What dollar amount was equivalent to 300 lempiras? So we have that 6 cents is 1 lempira. We want to know how much money we would have with 300 lempiras. So it's going to be 300 times 6 divided by 1. That's just plain 300 times 6. So that would be 1,800 cents. In dollars, that's $18. The answer is C. Problem 66. What is the area of trapezoid QRST in square units? And we are given the formula right here. So the area is going to be 1/2 of the height, which is 4, times B1 which is 8 plus B2 which is 11. So this is 8 times 8 plus 11, that's 19, and half of 4 is 2. 19 times 2, that's 38 square units. The answer is C.